Did you realize that February 5th is World Nutella Day? Let's celebrate with a delicious martini that you can also enjoy any other day. We start with Frangelico liqueur and vodka, plus we need either milk or heavy cream. I like to decorate my glass, so I use either graham cracker crumbs or chopped roasted hazelnuts. And then of course we need Nutella. But today I'm going to make a sugar-free version, so I got some of this cocoa hazel spread, which is also a pretty darn tasty substitute. And we're going to start with that spread. And first just measure some of it out. We need about a tablespoon of it. Yes, I'm using a little measuring tablespoon, but you don't have to. If you don't want to, you can always just kind of eyeball this. This way you can see about how much that is. And I'm putting this in a little blender jar. This is actually an accessory piece to my immersion blender, and I'll show you in a bit how this works. But while I have the Nutella type spread out, I'm also going to decorate my glass. And to do that, I'm going to use small amounts. This was a little bit too big. There we go. Get that into a smaller quantity on my knife, and then just use the knife to spread a thin layer all the way around the rim of this glass. The approach I'm using is very similar to how you rim a margarita glass. In that case, you moisten the edge with either simple syrup. I use agave syrup a lot of the times, or you can actually sometimes just use water, and then you dip the moistened glass into salt. In this case, the Nutella becomes our simple syrup, and instead of salt, I'm going to use chopped up roasted hazelnuts. They were not nearly small enough coming out of the bag, so I gave them an extra little chop, put them back on my plate here, and then I can take my glass and just tap it into those chopped up nuts to coat the edge. Once I kind of have this all nicely coated and ready to go, I can just put this aside and then get back to building my cocktail. So the Nutella's already in this blender base. I'm going to now add my liquor, starting with the vodka. I have these measuring cup style shot glasses that I really like. It makes it really easy to measure out the amounts, like different amounts all in the same shot glass, and just dirty one container, I guess. So it's 1 ounce each of the 2 different kinds of liquor, and then 3 ounces of your milk or cream. Measure that into that blender base, and then we put a little lid on here, and the handle of the immersion blender is then what becomes the motor. Put that all in place, start pulsing, and you can see it starts mixing this up. Now, the one downfall with the way I put these items into this base is that you can see the Nutella is kind of sticking to the side of the container. So I'm just going to remove the lid for a minute, take my knife and kind of scrape this away from the side just to make sure that Nutella gets really well mixed in. This won't necessarily happen to you. It kind of depends upon, what kind of blender you're using. It also probably would have helped if I would have done things in a different order and added the Nutella last. But in case this happens to you, that's just the easy way to get around that. Just stop, scrape a little bit, and then start blending again. And you can see what's happening here is it basically just blends this into a solution that looks an awful lot like chocolate milk. And you know what? There's nothing wrong with that. So one more step. I am going to pour this into a cocktail shaker that's full of ice, simply because I want to get this really, really nice and cold. Yes, my milk or cream was cold, but my liquors were not, and I really like this to be as cold as possible. So I'm just going to do a quick shake. Clearly we don't have to mix it. The blender did all that for us, but just do a shake to make sure it's all nicely cooled down, and then start pouring it in our glass. You can see here, this is the glass I decorated, which was a coupe glass, but I also very often like to use a martini glass. Either way, it pours in a lovely way into these decorated glasses. You can also add one more little decoration if you like. I had a beautiful strawberry I decided to add today. Either way, it's delicious and wonderful. I hope you give it a try and celebrate Nutella Day, because if you try it, I know you'll love it. Enjoy.